In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Obsidian for project management. By the end, you'll have a simple, reliable setup to organize a project from start to finish inside Obsidian. First, head to the Obsidian website. If you already have the app, go ahead and open it. If not, download it for your device, install it, and launch Obsidian. You'll be working inside a vault, which is Obsidian's term for a local folder that holds all your notes and project files in plain text markdown. Once you're in, look to the File Explorer on the left sidebar and click the new folder icon. This creates a dedicated home for your project so everything stays tidy and easy to find. Keeping project material grouped in one place helps you avoid scattered notes and makes it much easier to track progress later. Give this folder the exact name of your project. Clear, consistent naming is crucial. Use a format you'll recognize at a glance, like a short project code followed by a readable title. If you manage multiple projects, this consistency will save time and reduce confusion. Now, start adding notes inside that folder. Click the New Note button or right-click the folder and create a new note there so it lands in the right spot. Think of each note as a building block. You might have one note for a project overview, another for meeting notes, and others for plans, decisions, or reference material. Keeping notes focused and concise makes them easier to link and maintain. When you create a note, give it a descriptive name. Titles like Project Overview, Milestones, or Sprint 1 Planning make search and navigation straightforward. Adding dates or versions to titles can be helpful when you revisit work later. With your notes in place, start adding your tasks. Inside a relevant note, list out the actions you need to take. Keep each task on its own line and write it as a clear next step. For example, draft proposal, review requirements, or schedule kickoff. If it helps, include context such as a due date or a tag so you can filter and sort later. Be sure to add checkboxes to your tasks so you can track progress. Use the checkbox shortcut, Ctrl+L, to insert a to-do box at the start of a line. When you complete a task, you can check it off right there. If the shortcut isn't available, you can also type a dash, a space, and bracket notation to create a task line. That's it. You've set up a clean project folder, created focused notes, and turned your plan into actionable, trackable tasks.